it should be like, no, it should be like, hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's Drees. Today I just wanted to bring my little sister Tamara, really introducing her to you guys, because we are planning a little sister does big sister makeup tutorial soon. So I just wanted to introduce her, kind of get her used to being on camera as well. I personally do not like being on camera and talking because I hate my voice. So yeah, but anywho, today we had a sisterly sister day, and we went to Ulta, we went to TJ Maxx, and we went to Dollar Tree, and we just picked up some goodies from those places, some of our favorite makeup products. So Ulta, I got the, oh, it's so greasy, like look how greasy it is, and they got fingerprints all on it. But anyway, I got the Morphe 35V Stunning Vibes eyeshadow palette, and it looks like they have changed the packaging, which I absolutely adore. It looks a little bit more sophisticated, so I really do like that. But the colors are amazeballs. Oh my god, oh my god, they are so amazing. I've kind of already swatched some, but I'll swatch some on camera. Few of my favorites are the purple and the blue shades there. It has some shimmer to them, and they're very, very pretty. So I'm going to swatch those so that you guys can see, like, this is how pigmented they are as well. Like, I barely even put any on my fingers. So this is what the purple, oh my gosh, that's amazing. And this is the blue, which is absolutely stunning. And Tamara and I's favorite shade, it's actually called, oh, and it has like this plastic, it's not paper, I want to say it's paper, but it's plastic, that has like the names of the shades of each one on there. So 3 little words. 3 little words. What 3 little words can you think of? I love you. You're my best friend. That's exactly what my Scooby-Doo does too when you laugh. It says, you're my best friend. I love you. Anyways, so that's creepy. Our favorite shade is 3 little words, which is this. Dang, I cannot get right. Can't get right. Is this shade here, which is really, really pretty too. So I'm gonna swatch that oh shoot, on my arm as well, so you can see. The pigmentation is incredible. I absolutely love Morphe products. They're my absolute favorite. I know I always say that I have an absolute favorite product, but I love everything so that I have. I also bought some Morphe brushes because I want to perfect my cut creases. So I bought a Morphe M167 brush, which is perfect for cutting creases, and it is the dupe for MAC 252. And I also got the M124, which is a firm shadow brush, but it's a definer brush. So when I do my cut creases and just, you know, trying to get those lines to look really perfect, this will just really help with that too. And this is the dupe for the MAC 242, I believe. And I also got from Ulta the Maybelline Glitter Fix Glitter Lip Gloss. Every single shade is the bomb. Like, every single shade was the bomb. This was like, oh my god. Like, there was another shade, I don't remember the name of it, but it was like a turquoise looking color, and Tamara was like, oh, you should do like a mermaid inspired look, which I'll think about that. But yeah, this is number 75 Steamy Nights, and I'm gonna swatch that on my hand so that you can see what this oh my god, this is incredible. Maybelline, y'all showing out. That is pretty. Is it? Can you see it? Is it on there? Like, it's so pretty. Like, it's so beautiful. Like, I'm so excited about using this. I'm definitely going to do a look using this lip gloss and some of the eyeshadows in the palette. And the last thing that I got was from TJ Maxx. And I've never used MAC Studio products before. I'm really excited about using it. I needed some more setting spray for my personal collection, so I'm excited about it. And it was only $3.99. And I hope it doesn't smell like rose water, because I hate the smell of rose. But I love roses. It's like weird. Like, I love roses, but I don't like the smell of rose water. It gives me a headache. But anyways, yeah, I'm excited about using this. So if I like it, you know, I'll for sure do like a review on it or whatever. Just kind of give you guys some feedback on how I like it and such. So yeah, I'm pretty much, that was my stuff that I got today. What'd you get?
Alright, first thing I got, I needed this. I needed it so
Why are
bad.
you talking like you from Kentucky somewhere?
Because I'm getting in an act. I got an act. Now, stay over there. Okay, I got the L.A. Girls brow kit. I really needed this brow kit because, as you can see, my eyebrows
Are botched. They're bad. No, I'm kidding. That's so messed up.
Nothing. Okay, so this is a great little brow kit, especially for beginners. So this has an eyebrow plucker.
Tweezers, sis.
I know.
Eyebrow plucker.
I don't know what they was called. Okay, so there's two different kind of shades of eyebrow powder. Is the dark brown and the light brown. Then there's highlight over here, and then there's wax. Then it also, down here, it comes with an eyebrow little thing. What's this called?
A spoolie.
A spoolie, and then the little thing to like...
An angle brush,
yeah,
is what she's trying to say.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, she's gonna try that out, and I guess like she'll post on her personal Instagram or Snapchat, you know, her reviews and whatnot about how she likes that.
Alright, now we went to Dollar Tree. I know what you're thinking. Dollar Tree.
Is that deal. Dollar Tree is that deal though. And those freaking guacamole chips. Oh my god, guacamole chips. I said guacamole. Hold on, what did I just wait a minute. At first I thought, did I say guacamole? No. But no, those guacamole. What? And I'm still trying to think I'm saying it right.
Guacamole?
Guacamole chips are flame. Like, you need to try those. Sorry sis, I'm done.
Alright, I know you might be thinking Dollar Tree stuff be cheap all the time.
I'm asleep.
But these brushes
is life.
These are my favorite kind of brushes.
What brand is it?
Wet n Wild, girl. They be like $23 somewhere else, but you can get these at the Dollar Tree for $1. Dollar Tree, you should sponsor this video.
They should sponsor this video, and TJ Maxx, because I go there about every other week. And Dollar Tree, I'm there about every week anyway. So, what brushes like are they?
I got the large eyeshadow. Let me see.
You are a cornball. Cornball.
This is the large eyeshadow thing, brush. And this is for blending and making your eyeshadow more
popping.
Yes.
It's gonna be popping.
Period.com. Okay. And then this is a liner brush. It's for lining your eyebrows, or you could do your eyeliner with it, Or you could even do your lip liner. Ain't that crazy?
I don't know about that. I don't know about that. So yeah, so expect a video soon of Tamara. This is Tamara Thompson.
Don't say my government name.
We Thompsons up in here. Whoop whoop! Shout out to all the Thompsons out there.
Yup.
Whoop whoop! Thompsons in Mississippi. We see you.
Hey.
We see you, fam.
Hey. Y'all doing?
Yeah, definitely check out my channel soon.
It will be down below in the description.
I don't know what she's talking about. But definitely look out for that video. I'll have Tamara do my makeup. I'm really nervous about it. People gonna have to pray and intercede for me because I don't know how this is gonna look.
It's gonna look amazing.
And okay. You know what? I shouldn't even be like that.
You be seeing me do my makeup? Be popping. Be glowing. Melanin popping. Period. Like Cardi B.
I'm done. I'm done. But anywho, yeah, I think that's really it. Thank you guys for watching our video on today. If you haven't already, like and subscribe.
Give this video a thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Like and subscribe. Turn your notifications on. Yeah, I mean that's it. Did you want to add anything else?
Eat your vegetables.